Doctor, how does asthma management differ for adults and children?
Coming up to management of asthma in children and adults, so basically both of them generally present in a different way. Sometimes the children have something called as wheeze. There's just a term wheezing which is there, and they have a lot of reasons of having bronchiolitis, and they have a lot of post-viral bronchitis which we label in adults. That is a wheeze-associated lower respiratory tract infection. So uh, sometimes that is being labeled later as asthma in children if it progresses. So to label an asthma in children is a little challenging, and the doses of obviously the doses of medications also changes, but in adults it is a very clear cut diagnosis, very easily been made out. So what I would say that in children actually the compliance of treatment and the compliance of treatment with adults differ. So that is how the management also differs, like when you take how which kind of inhaler you should recommend to the children. You have to give a face mask. In adults you can go with a rotahaler, you can go with a dry powder inhaler or MDI. In the patients who are moribund who cannot take it, so you can go with a nebulizer. So depending on the condition we have to give an optimal device for the asthma treatment.